Hi, welcome to 1316 Cordova Road. If you want to live the Fort Lauderdale lifestyle, you need something like this. Open concept with a lot of natural light flowing through, and this gorgeous waterfront view with a 75-foot dock and 4 boat slips. Another special feature about this property is this front courtyard. Just another place where it's perfect for entertaining family and friends. In this additional room that has a lot of character with the wooden beams that lead out to the gorgeous waterfall that has such a serene feel that already adds to the magnificent intercoastal views. Living in Fort Lauderdale means you get to enjoy the boating and fishing lifestyle, being minutes from the ocean, and also local boat-friendly spots such as 15th Street Fisheries and Fort Lauderdale Yacht Club. Come back and enjoy this beautiful breeze from your boat right here in your own backyard. Thank you for taking this tour with me. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to me.